In this guide, we're going to go over how you can get the motorcycle here in Bizarre Lineage. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it does help the channel, let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the motorcycle is used for faster travel, similar to the skateboard, and it's one of the mobility items in the game. However, it can actually not be crafted. It cannot be bought with the in-game money, and it's not tied to any quest in the game. The only way to get it is by hitting the 3 lines down in the bottom right, finding the little shop icon just like so, and purchasing the motorcycle from the shop. Now, obviously, you can get it in one of the packs right here, the starter pack for about 1,000 Robux. And maybe in the future, there'll be a different pack with just the motorcycle in there. But as of right now, it's just going to be that one up at the very top for, once again, about 1,000 Robux. Once it's purchased, obviously you can go ahead and equip it in your inventory to move around the map, but you cannot craft it one more time. It has to be purchased with Robux. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on though. It really does help us out and let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.